Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus graphs can be tricky, but we will find where the first and second derivatives share the same sign in just 3 quick, easy steps. First, look at the slope to find the sign of the first derivative. The function is increasing from 0 to 2, then it starts decreasing for the rest of the graph. Next, check the concavity for the second derivative sign. The graph is concave down between 1 and 3, but it is concave up on the outer intervals of 0 and 4. Compare both signs. They match when both are positive from 0 to 1 and negative from 2 to 3. Thus, option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and always trust given points to avoid a rush.